If you have tried all the edge controls on the market and you feel like none of them work for you, I suggest you try smaller brands. I got sent this package from ARHGOAT, who has really good reviews on Amazon. It came with a regular and a travel size gel and an edge brush. Usually I don't like edge brushes, but this one was the perfect texture. The gel smelled very herbal, almost like it had a slight hint of lavender and sweetness. It was definitely a nice scent added to my perfume, I can say that. So I went ahead and did my edges, and this is after, and I decided I was gonna wrap them today. But while that's marinating, they also sent me this oil. I always feel like a YouTuber when I hold it up like that. But it smelled like a very strong olive oil with maybe some ginger and a splash of mint. Then they also sent me a cute little shampoo brush, which I been needed. But yeah, unwrap my edges. This is how it looks. And I also wanted to show y'all my hairstyle for today. But this was about 6.5 hours later when I got off from work, and this was 4 hours after that. So about 10, 11 hours in total, and this is how it looked.